AllNaturalDips here with another recipe from our kitchen to yours. So in my household, I love garlic. I actually keep Garlic Festival in a little shaker, much like you would keep salt and pepper in. That means I can use it for flavoring anything. One of my favorite things to do is flavor my veggies with it. So I had a little extra Garlic Festival left over from a recipe that I did recently, and I'm going to make it with some vegetables. So today I'm going to be using Garlic Festival to flavor some zucchini squash, some yellow squash, and some sweet onion. So first you're going to want to set your pan up and go ahead and start melting some butter. You're going to want to melt that butter into the pan until you see it slightly bubbling. Now you're also going to want to have some salt and pepper to the side in addition to Garlic Festival. Garlic Festival does not have any salt already added into it, so our family prefers a little bit of salt with our veggies, so we're going to be making it with a little extra added salt. I've got my butter slightly bubbling here. We're going to go ahead and start adding in the vegetables. All right, go ahead and start sauteing those vegetables. We are going to saute them to al dente, which means they're gonna still have a little bit of a crunch to them. So now that you've got them sitting in the sauce, you're gonna wanna sprinkle on some of that Garlic Festival. I don't wanna do too much at a time, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit in my hand. And then I'm just gonna take it and sprinkle over top of it so that I can get as much on it as possible, but not too much, just in case somebody in the family doesn't want too much. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt as well. Once again, I'm gonna put it in my hand so that I can kind of get it spread nice and evenly and not too much at a time. And I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. This one I'm never really worried about, so I'm just gonna spread it right on top. All right, now that we've got it nice and coated on the top, we're gonna start mixing it. You're going to want to make sure that you mix it together with the other ones so that the other pieces that aren't on top are starting to get some of that garlic coating as well. My onions are just about done. My squash has a beautiful clear center, and my zucchini looks amazing. So we are ready to take this off of the stove and put it into a bowl to serve. And that one right there is an extra one for the chef.